Hello, my name is Steve Bigelow with the Candlestick Forum. The market trend does not have to have too much analysis when all the indicators tell us exactly what's happening. The Dow, as you can see, is breaking out through this level with a steady uptrend. Not only is it staying up above the T line, staying up above the 3T line. So whatever the bullish sentiment is moving this market is evident in the market indexes. Same scenario on this wedge formation that we identified last week. When it broke out, notice how the NASDAQ broke out with a gap up through the resistance level, another gap up from a doji, telling you there's still a lot of strength in this market. This allows us to take advantage of other patterns that are forming the same thing. PLTR, you can see the wedge formation. You can see how it's broken out through this level, giving you the prospect of another price move like this. Now, obviously, does this occur every time? Definitely not. But when you have the ability to see that the bullish sentiment is remaining above the T line and a pattern that everybody else is watching is breaking out, that just puts you in situations where the probabilities of being in a strong price move is extremely good. Same scenario on CINT. Came up, failed right at the 200, did a fry pan bottom, did a doji sandwich. Notice how the downtrend stopped with a hammer signal bullish confirmation. Then the pattern was setting up and broke out through the 200 with a doji sandwich. The prospects of this heading higher with this magnitude is extremely good. So anytime we see strong signals or patterns, all we have to do is take advantage of that based upon how that signal confirms the next day. Your kicker signal coming right off the 50 and the 200 has continued this uptrend. Same scenario in our recommendation on BE. Kicker signal right off the 50. There's your first likely target. We're going to be teaching how to go through the process of identifying the strongest signals and patterns, not only the strongest signals, but the ones with the highest probabilities of moving higher, and then additionally, the ones that have the prospect of a very strong price move. This is going to be our ultimate candlestick training, July 22nd. This is where you first do step one, get a very strong analysis perspective of what the overall market is doing. And then knowing the signals and patterns, as well as the top rank signals and patterns, which price moves are going to be the best. On top of that, we can go one step further. If you're just a stock trader, trading stocks, which ones do you want to go after as a stock position? Or if you're an options trader, which ones do you buy calls on, or call spreads, or puts or put spreads, depending on the price move? These are all going to be added into our analysis on the 22nd so that you're putting the stars in alignment. And with my somewhere over 35 years of background in candlestick signals, you get some additional insights that will greatly improve your trading. Buy the books. That's where all the information is. So with that, join us on the 22nd. You're going to learn more than you expect, and you'll get a completely different perspective of how you should be trading the markets. That'll be it. We'll see you in the chat rooms.